Hello friends, how are you? And how's your preparation for entrance exams going on? We have Railway RRB, we have already the notification for CAT exam, IBPS PO, and other MBA exams like IFT, Oriental, Insurance Assistant Manager exam. So there are many notifications. So any of these exams which you are preparing for, get on the mcqforall.com. You'll get everything out here: online tests, study materials, previous year papers, along with the help from the candidates who others are preparing at same mcqforall.com, just like you and just like me. Even I am also preparing for the different exams. Anyway, so let's start with the current affairs. And today, 28th of 28th. Today is 29th of no. Today is 30th of July, and I'm going to give you previous current affairs from 28th and 29th because we missed those 2 days, and this is the morning of 30th. So I thought better to prepare the current affairs before it's being too late. Okay, fine. So let's starting with the 28th of July, and I'm pushing it my notations here so that you people can look over the videos clearly. And here it is, 28th of July 2015, World Hepatitis Day observed on 28th of July. So you can again, each and every current affairs I analyze at the point of the most probable for current affairs SSC exams UPSC. So on that point, 28th July observed as World Hepatitis Day. You should remember 28th July as a World Hepatitis Day. The other related information: what is hepatitis? What are the type of hepatitis? What are the causes of hepatitis? Eminent physicist, all this information related with the hepatitis you should remember so that it will help you in any other long discussion or interview kind of a thing. Eminent physicist P. Hariharan passes away. Though P. Hariharan was in California and of the age of 90, so is no more. Can we think this question as important? I don't think so, because he is important, but he is not that important to come into the exams current affairs. I mean, you never know what kind of question can come. So I'm just pointing that important thing. IT Secretary R.S. Sharma appointed as chairman of TRI. Remember his name, R.S. Sharma. Marketing aptitude, banking, and the other important UPSC quick current affairs kind of questions can come into your exam. The related information: what he was there, which batch of IS he is from, what qualifications he have done. All the things are there, and if you know or not, but this same document which I am presenting you is going to get uploaded on mcqforall.com under current affairs. So you can get this as PDF format, and can always take a printout and can study in detail, because this whole information is in very detail. So you are welcome on mcqforall.com. FKCCI completed 100 years of services. FKCCI is a federation of Karnataka Chambers of Commerce and Industry. So it's a body of Karnataka, and very importantly, especially around 60 to 70 years back, when there was basically three epicenter of commerce in India. It was like the Bombay Stock Exchange, the oldest stock exchange of the Asia, then the Calcutta, and then this FKCCI, and it's celebrating its 100 years. Can we expect this question? No. George Sampao Harani Nobel Award for inaugural Nelson Rowley Hela Mandela Prize, and this can come into the international current affairs kind of a thing, but not so important considering the nature of the exams. So you can miss it, no problem. Rajesh exports by world's largest gold refinery company Volcambi for rupees 2560. Gold is all-time low, is the lowest point from the last 15 years. So of course the world over it's very it's a great impact. But India, always like gold never shines away though the prices go low. That's the so in that way, the Rajesh Export world's largest gold refining company in an all-cash deal of $400 million. Can we expect this question? Though it looks like not a very important question, but sometimes what happens is like uh, you do not get too much of knowledge, too much of information from these kind of sectors. So you can expect, but not. Let's say 80% as no, not an important question. Volcanic Gold Refinery. Maharashtra government to develop six solar cities targeting solar capacity of 7,500 megawatt. Again, not an important question because there is no numbers behind that. Six and when will CSC and SCL form joint venture to provide technology services to solution to banks. CSC Computer Science Corporation, SCL Hindustan Corporation Limited. I mean, you all know what SCL do. So they are the IT services company, and now they have a joint venture to give the solutions to banks. So what's new in that? Every IT service company does that. So why I've included it here is like because government have got a plan to give the licenses to the private banks, private equity market. Are the new at least 20 new private banks are going to come into the scene in next 2 to 3 years. So in that way, the banking sector is going to be in the boom. Okay, and even the IT sector is very excited about that. Along with that, there is an option where this Grameen Bank and the other banking sectors, small banks, Sakari Bank, corporation banks are into the scheme of Digital India. So IT services which enable or almost behind the scene does what we do not see are a real cash maker out of that. So Digital India is all about the cash making thing for though it is enabler helpful, but of course the cash making thing. This company bid for that, they earn the projects, they pay for employees. Coming to 29th of July 2015, Suniti Solomon, a pioneer of HIV treatment in India, passes away. Suniti Solomon, most of you would not know her, but like she have done a lot into this HIV treatment. Can we expect this important? And no, I don't think so. All her all her contributions there into this. Sri Lanka signs agreement with Google to launch Project Loon by 2016. Government of Sri Lanka signed a memorandum of understanding with Google to launch the Google Loan. Again, not a very important question considering the considering the SSC Bank view all current affairs. Kazakhstan became 162nd member of WTO World Trade Organization. Uh, why this question should come into current affairs? Not so important. 106 Royal Bengal tiger left in Sundarbans. Again, not an important question. E-tourist visa to Chinese nationals from July 30, 2015, as the Prime Minister Narendra Modi have given the assurance, so it's now on the way. Ashish Bhagwana appointed as chairman of FSSAI, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Remember his name, Ashish Bhagwana. You can get this question into current affairs. About Ashish Bhagwana, the whole information is there. Renowned Sri Lankan historian Santa Kilan Kalgar passes away. Again, not an important. Who the fuck gives this important news of Sri Lanka? But my point is, why not to include all this information, though it is important or not? But knowing things, what's happening around the world is very important, and this helps you to get you on your uh, told that you are not just preparing for simple examinations like simple when when we say simple is like the SSC and banking in terms of current affairs. Then we have UPSC kind of exams where we have GS, where we have a long we have a long big time to you know to prepare. Those usually are very exhaustive examination preparations. So for those kind of examinations, you need to be very much updated with the international current affairs. You need to be very much updated with the what's happening. That's not even in terms of quantitative numbers, but you have to be aware because UPSC exam you can never define the boundary of current affairs or the GS questions. So for that sake, it's very important. Usually, I try to do whatever maximum is possible out of the internet or whatever from the other things. राष्ट्रीय आविष्कार अभियान may be renamed as APJ Abdul Kalam Avishkar Abhiyan. APJ Abdul Kalam demises on 27 evening, and now and today, if you all know, like 27th he passed away, 27th to 28th. I'm just 2 days back. So his body came, and today he will be submerged in. A very great demise for India, as in the world of Narendra Modi, India lost Ratna. Bharat have lost a Ratna. So he was a Bharat Ratna too. K. Vijay Raghavan to hold additional charge of Secretary DSIR, not so important. Not so important, yes. So that's it for the current affairs. Now coming to the latest jobs and and new NFL notified recruitment for 39 junior engineer, assistant grade post, and Uttarakhand Gramin Bank notified for 39 officers scale 3. Ministry of Defense, okay, anything which is famous. All are important. Importance comes when you talk about your eligibility, your aspirations. So I cannot open each and every opening and show you the last date. Last date is here on the right hand column, so you can go through it. But I'm just trying to see if something very something which clicks to your mind, and then you feel, oh yeah, this form I want to fill up. So IPS clerk, not so very famous in notifications. So moving to the and any last date, upcoming last date. So I'm just clicking over last date. You can click over here, and then any important HSC Haryana State Staff Solution for 31st is the last date, so you can fill for that. Okay, and moving to the entrance exams, we have any Dr. D.Y. Patil University, Mumbai, All India of AIT. Set of CAT notifications. Again, not so important notifications again into entrance exam. So that's it for today. Current affairs for 2 days and the government job and entrance exam notifications. Little bit about a very general thing is like there are like many entrance exams going over all over the India, on state level, on different exams, and preparation mode is almost common. 4 subjects: quantitative, verbal, reasoning, English passage, and these 4 subjects are common to all the exams. So basically, what should be your approach, and why not to go for it, right? But people come like, why should I feel, how should I feel, and I always get stuck somewhere. I do not able to pay online, I do not able to this and that, and so many things. My age is not so question comes to your mind, and you get disheartened, and somehow you do not fill up the form. So I would say like please do not get at a point where where you think that you are not eligible or eligible. Some point you just have to fill the form. Though you are ineligible, just fake it. Even if you are underage, just fake it. If you are overage, just fake it to get the experience of the exam. Because nowadays the government exams are forms are very normal, 100 rupees, 200 rupees. Some okay. The CAT. I'm not talking about the entrance exams where the form fees are 1600, 1500. I'm talking about the government job exams. So why not to give the exams as much as possible? Give the exam as much as possible first. Second is prepare hard. Preparation is very important. People underestimate their preparation, and then they think that it's the subjects are very common. Subjects are very simple. Class 8, 9, 10, not even 9, 10, 7th, 8th, 9th questions comes into the exam. So why not to? So they just relax. So it is not like that. Just think about the number of people preparing for the different exams. For your exam, which you have filled up, I mean, you will not get the good sleep for that night. So it's very important to think about the others who are preparing for that exam, and then you automatically get geared up. So in all this process, I would say, please do not lose the focus. I'm going to prepare now. This was the current affairs. So I have decided, and our team have decided to start a video where we will describe you by filling the form online, and we will create a video out of that which will help you. So our next form filling will be of CAT, IBPS, PO, color, if the last date is still remaining, and the other form which are still opening up. Alright, so please prepare hard. And if you have any question, if you have any doubt, you can always ask at info@mcqforall.com. You can call us at 01125330725, 995313068, 9992663689. So all these numbers, why I recite again and again, these numbers are there on the website on contact us page, just because you get the notion that somebody is there to help you out. You are not alone. If nobody will help you, MCQ for all is there to help you out. Any kind of information, any kind of help you want, always be in touch with us. Bye bye.